This week, I launched my first digital product while 7 months pregnant, raising a toddler, and working a full-time job. I had no free days, no big team, and no perfect time to do it, but I did it anyway. And in this video, I'll show you how. Hey, I'm Ivy K, and this is the 90-Day Freedom Build. Through my brand LyfStyled, I help people build lifestyle and financial freedom without burnout, hustle, or waiting for someday. I'm currently pregnant, working, raising a toddler, and building digital products in real time. Over these 90 days, I'm sharing what it really looks like to build freedom with limitations, so you can create your own version step by step. This was week 4, and it was shorter than usual, with Easter falling on my CEO day, and I had to find moments of momentum within a slower rhythm. But even in a shorter week, something big happened. I launched the LyfStyled online store and published our first premium digital product, the Household Financial Dashboard. If you're new here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I share weekly updates, tools, and insights to help you build real freedom in your real life. This is what I planned for the week. My main goal was simple but significant. Launch the store, ship the product. Since I knew CEO Day would fall on Easter Monday, a full day of family, I made a quiet plan the night before. I chose just one priority for the week, created a checklist of what needed to happen to make this launch possible, communicated to my husband about where I'd need his help, and set clear intentions before I even opened my laptop. I started early on Sunday night. I outlined my to-dos, sketched a store wireframe using AI, and mapped out the realistic blocks of time that I could work in around my family time. What actually happened? CEO Day was everything I hoped it would be, just not a work day. We had an indoor egg hunt, shared lunch with my extended family, and I ended the day with a walk outside with my son. No work, no guilt. The rest of the week, I worked in short, focused bursts. When my son was asleep or out on a walk, I tackled the next item on my list, nothing more. By the end of the week, the LyfStyled store was live, and with it, our first paid product, the Household Financial Dashboard. This is the same tool we use in our home to track shared income, prioritize expenses, and stay aligned with our goals. Now, let me give you an update on my health and life. Each week of this pregnancy brings something new. So what was it this week? I gained more weight, I have less speed, and I've entered the official penguin waddling phase. Physically, I'm needing more breaks. Mentally, I'm still focused, but I know I can't overdo it. What helped me to stay balanced this week? I already knew what mattered most. I gave myself permission to let everything else wait and made my environment distraction-free so I could go deep, even in short sprints. Freedom isn't about doing more. It's about doing what matters at the pace that honors your season. Let me give you an update on the transition fund. This was the first week I could make a contribution to my transition fund. I contributed 600 euros. It felt like a win until I ran the numbers again. Then I realized my salary alone won't get me to my savings goal of 5,400 euros by December. Even if I save 600 every month till the time I need this fund, it still leaves me with a shortfall of 600. That moment of realization didn't discourage me. It just reminded me why I'm doing all of this. LyfStyled needs to succeed, not as a dream, but as a real bridge. I want to choose where I recover after birth, how I show up for my children, and at what pace I return to work. That's freedom, and it starts with clarity. These are the tools and insights that I have for you this week. If you're building your own version of freedom, here's what helped me this week. Knowing your savings goal is the first step. Tracking your progress is where everything shifts. And these are the 3 tools I used that helped me. The transition fund calculator, I used it to define the goal. The dashboard, I used it to see the progress that I was making. And a separate savings account to keep the money protected and growing. When I saw how far 600 could get me, it brought peace of mind and focus. Try it for yourself. You'll find the tools that I used in the link below. If this resonated with you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. I'm sharing this journey every single week, through every twist and shift of building freedom in real life. If you haven't tried the Transition Fund Calculator yet, it's free for the first 100 users, and it might give you more peace than a spreadsheet ever could. So what's coming next week? This week was shorter than most, so I didn't get to share the lifestyle-driven wealth approach yet. That's the plan for next week. To walk you through what it is, how it powers LyfStyled, and how it can help you build wealth that actually fits your life. All of this, one CEO day at a time. Building freedom isn't perfection. It's about direction. Even in a short week, I took one more step, and I hope that you did too.